Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this pill organizer I've got here. Let's open it up, and it's got 4 for each day, Monday through Saturday. You can see there, it's a nice, easy to open box here, and they are nice big areas for the pills. It's good, it's easy to open, so if you have somebody who's older who has a little tough time opening things, this is gonna still make it easy to open. Then you've got these here, so you've got 4 Saturdays on there. So this is perfect for me because what I have is I have 1 set of pills that I take each day, and so this would give me 4 weeks of it here. So I could do, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, or if you have somebody who takes pills 4 times a day, which is kind of what it says on there, it says Sunday morning, noon, night, and back up. So it kind of gives you just, extra there, so you could have 4 there. But for me, I just use 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, and I always know where I'm at because they're empty up until that point. And so they are kind of translucent, so you can see through them. Each one is on a little 4 section, little one here. These are easy to open ones. These are nice because they're so easy to open. Little things here. I've had some before where it's been very difficult. So this is nice. So it's a nice little setup here. If you need a pill set for 4, so it'll be 28 containers on there. This is a good one. Very nice. Thumbs up.